Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will review about Revolt Rv400 electric bike. Revolt Motors' flagship electric bike, the Rv400, costs Rs 132,499 ex-showroom post-FAME 2 subsidies. The Rv400 is driven by a 3 kW motor linked to a swappable 3.24 kWh lithium-ion battery pack. Revolt claims the RV can deliver a range of 150 kilometers. With the monthly subscription scheme, the battery warranty stands at either 8 years or 1.5 lakh km, whichever comes first. Featuring a distinct LED headlight, the Rv400 also gets a full digital LCD instrument cluster with 4G connectivity. It also comes equipped with onboard diagnostics and gets over-the-air updates too. Riders can pair their smartphones via the Revolt app, which gives them access to travel history, battery health, range and nearest swap station. It also comes with geofencing and keyless operation for better security. The Revolt Rv400 even gets speakers that emit customizable, digitally generated engine sounds. The battery takes about 4.5 hours to fully charge using a 15A socket. Although, you can swap the battery at the Revolt swap station, makes life easier especially if you're in a hurry. The suspension setup includes an upside-down fork and a monoshock with preload adjustability. As for the braking hardware, it gets 240mm discs on both ends with combined braking system, CBS, as standard. The Rv400 slots below the torque Kratos. However, viable alternatives also include the Ather 450X, TVS iQube Electric, Ola S1 Pro and the Bajaj Chetak. Overall, the Revolt Rv400 continues to be a popular choice among electric bike enthusiasts and commuters, thanks to its combination of performance, range, and style. With its latest updates, the Rv400 has become even more appealing, offering customers a reliable and stylish mode of transportation. Revolt Rv400 specifications. Range 150 km. Motor power 3000 W. Motor type mid-drive. Charging time 4.5 hours. Max torque 170 Nm. Front brake disc. Rear brake disc. Body type electric bikes. Revolt Rv400 features. Braking type combi brake system. Charging point. URLs. Mobile connectivity Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Riding modes. Navigation. LED tail light. Speedometer digital. Odometer digital. Trip meter digital. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.